Hey, this will be a video chart on ICPA. Had some questions that have been coming in on this one, and the chart is looking good. Definitely showing some signs of life here. Still a lot of work to be done, but overall compared to what was going on during this period here, I'm sure nobody's complaining. So let's just dig right in. One thing that really sticks out is how this orange line, which is a 200-day simple moving average, so a crucial level of support, has done a great job of holding. Yes, we did have a day where it broke below and closed below here, but this is where when you understand charts, you know when to keep things on your radars and when to not do that. And in this case, it was worthwhile because, yes, like I said, the price did close below it, but then look what happened on that day. Massive volume. So that brings up the question of, was this some sort of capitulation? And of course, this is hindsight now, but now seeing what's happened after that, that was definitely a day of capitulation where my guess is whatever was forcing this downwards move here finally cleared out of the remainder of their shares, and now the price has been able to bounce on much less volume. So, and given this all occurred right around the 200-day, that's why I figured, worth at least keeping on your radar. And then when you see the next day, you get a nice little doji candle spinning top, whatever you want to call it. From a charting perspective, it definitely was worth at least keeping an eye on. So again, yeah, I know that's hindsight's 2020, but just going back, things make sense on why you would want to keep it on the radar. Now, like I had mentioned, it's still got a lot of work to do, and the main thing that I meant by that is if we look up here at this purple line, the 50-day simple moving average, this was a very important level of support, and then you can see once the price dropped below it here. The price did try to get back above it on this day, couldn't quite do it, and then got knocked back down. And then on this bounce, you see that although it didn't quite hit it exactly, close enough, and then acted as resistance. So that's kind of the key. I don't know if worry is the right word, but and I don't know if concern is either. But this is something that needs to be noted and a close eye kept on. What we want to make sure doesn't happen is that history repeats itself, and the price comes up here and then gets knocked back down. Now, if the price can come up here and get through it, that's going to be a big gain for the chart, and that'd be a very bullish move. But so far in recent history, this seems to be carrying quite a bit of weight. Now, I'm not saying it's impossible for the price to get through it, but it's definitely an area that we'll need to pay extra close attention to and just see how the price reacts when it gets up in this area. And like I said, if the price can get through it and close above it, then that's going to be a great sign for the strength of the chart and the current bounce that is going on. So again, this is the current bounce. This is not a reversal. I wouldn't start talking reversal until I see how the price reacts up here around the 50-day simple moving average. But all reversals have to start somewhere. All reversals start with a bounce, and the bounce is clearly underway. Now it's just a matter of seeing if there's any true strength behind this bounce, and this 50-day up here will be a good kind of map and thermometer in terms of how strong this current bounce is. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We're making some good money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. Also, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about the chart and what your strategy is going forward. One more time, this is ICPA. Thanks for listening.